Successful businesswoman, this is a few tips you're supposed to follow, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am super happy again. I'm here getting my hair done. So today I will be doing some crochet, and so if you are new here, once again welcome, and I am in my suite right now. So this is my first time getting this hair, and we are gonna try this. So this is a crochet hair that I got from the beauty supply, y'all. This was $4.99. Woo! When I saw it, I'm like, I'm gonna grab that. See how best I can give it a really good look. But first of all, I am gonna be like crocheting half of my hair down, and the front part I'm gonna be braiding it. So I do have my braiding hair right here on the rack. So I put my braiding hair right here, just the front, and this is 1B. The braiding hair is 1B, and the crochet hair is 1B. So if you are new here, once again welcome, stay tuned, don't leave. And this is my hair. So I've been having my hair like this for a week now. Leave-in conditioner, this is really good. I don't have much in here, but I'm just gonna go ahead with whatever in here. I put it on my hair to keep my hair moist, so I can comb it out. See, I'm just trying to put my hair, so that's it. So I'm gonna go with that. It's an oil. I'm gonna put some in my hair, because I'm gonna have my hair in for like at least 2 weeks. So I really like trying to keep it moist and to keep it oily while it's braid. I just don't want my hair to be super dry. So I am gonna split my hair into the middle right here. I'm gonna split in the middle. But I really want to talk to you guys about opening your own business, right? So I've been having a lot of people ask me that, oh, what's the process? What can I do? I'm trying to open my own business. I'm trying to do stuff. How can I open my own business? So here's the thing though. Opening your own business is very easy and it's very hard. Opening your own business is very easy and it's very hard. If you don't have the discipline to open your own business, it will never be successful. Opening a business is something that you gotta go in 100%, okay? To do a business 100%, you can also do a side hustle, but a business is require a full attention, okay? Opening a business, it requires full attention, especially what you want to do. I don't know what you want to do, like it's all depend what you want to do. But if you feel like, it's not really going to be straight, but yeah, what do you think? What do you think, guys? I feel like it's gonna crooked a little bit. Okay, so guys, I'm done braiding my hair for the back. So like I said again, this is the hair I'm gonna be using today. So I'm trying to go for this style right here, y'all. I know you can see it right here. That's how it's gonna be with the braid on the side. That's how it's gonna be, but I don't want this to the front though. So I want the front to be all braid. So this is the back of this hair, y'all. So I can feel a little tight in right here. It's a little bit tight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my finger in here and make it loose a little bit. And this end right here, I'm gonna go ahead and crochet this into the hair. So it had to come on. Okay. So I don't know, you guys can see what I'm doing back there. I can see I'm just using my finger. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna be talking about braiding, like a braider or being a hairstylist. Okay, so being a hairstylist, it comes with a lot of things. It comes with a lot of discipline. It comes with a lot of critiques. You their opinion or tell you how they feel, especially your client, especially people that watch you. And people's opinion does not have to be your reality. And what people say to you will never be successful at what you do. Okay, so keep doing what you do, keep being you, and keep pushing forward. And two, always praise God. Put God first in everything you do. Whatever area you find yourself in the beauty industry, okay? First thing, you like to get a client. You like to get a clientele, and you like to get a business card, get a website, get a business card, find a website, something that reasonable or something that people can use to book you on. Still do Booksy. I'm still doing Booksy. Booksy was really reasonable for me, and Booksy, I paid $29.99 a month on Booksy for my client to book. Okay, it's cheaper or something that work for you. And two, you're gonna have to get a business card. You get a flyer. You want to go around, tell people about your business, tell people about your brand, what you do, tell people about your service and stuff like that. And you gotta keep this in mind that when you tell people, hey, I do hair, hey, I'm a hairstylist, they want to see your work, own personal work, not somebody else's work. Show them your work, your Instagram. Second, you gotta be able to convince people. Some people are very, very mean. You gotta be able to convince them to accept your business card. Not able to do their hair, but just to accept your business card, you gotta be able to convince them. It happened so many days, so many times that I went to the store, just walking around telling people, hey, I'm Tolo, I'm a breeder, I do hair. Would you like to take my business card? Introduce yourself to them and stuff like that. So, you gotta give them a reason why they're taking your business card. You gotta be able to come up with a reason why people might take your business card. Okay, y'all, so I am done with the crochet. It's really cute. Look at this. It's really, really super cute. It's really super cute, and I really love it. It's curved right now, so it's gonna look a shoulder, but I had to cut it a little bit. But this is the back. This is the back. This is the back. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you see when you look at me. Boom, like I was telling you guys earlier, like you gotta convince people. You gotta be able to convince people, like, hey, this is my service. Hey, this is what I can do. You gotta show them picture. You gotta show them stuff. You gotta make them believe you, because some people just don't believe you, especially telling somebody, hey, I'm a hairstylist, hey, I'm a breeder, this is what I do, so can you hold my business card? Some people will likely tell you, hey, I don't want to be bothered, I don't want you to do my hair, or a website for booking, or you gotta get a website for booking, or you gotta get like some type of legit business. Okay, that's what you do. Like, and you gotta be able to sell yourself, and you gotta be able to sell your business. You gotta be able to sell yourself. You gotta be able to like explain to people what your brand stand for, what your business stand for. Or you gotta be able to tell people what you stand for as a business, as a brand. You gotta be able to tell people that, and you gotta be able to make people understand that. So, and you also gotta print out your business card. Keep a business card with you wherever you go. Keep it in your purse. Always keep a business card and stuff like that with you. like the bread. I like to twist. I'm gonna add a piece of hair. I'm gonna add a piece of hair right there. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Yo, you see like how I'm scooping it. Like if I just go straight, it's not gonna be cute. So I'm just gonna like kind of be scooping, scoop, scoop, scoop. At this point, I'm just braiding my own hair like this. I am not adding extension. This hair took me 45 minutes to get it done, y'all. This is how I like to do my stuff. Fast, easy. Fast and easy. So this is it. Like that, not really much. Something like that. Okay, so guys, this is a finishing look. So if you follow this few things I tell you today, so if you follow these few steps about opening your own business, these are the few things you're supposed to learn to be a successful businesswoman. So guys, what do you think? So I'm done with my hair. It's super cute. Got a scoop in this hair. What do you think about my hair, y'all? Quick crochet hairstyle. Took only 45 minutes. And it's like a shoulder length. So this hair, like, you can do a ponytail. You can put it up in a ponytail. You can leave it down. You can tie a scalp. You can fix the edges. You can put some oil on your scalp. Your scalp is open out. You can do whatever you want to do with this hairstyle. It is so cute. It is so easy. If you want to see more of these, let me know. If you want to see more of these, let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Stay tuned and peace. Oh, hold on. How do you do this? Okay. Peace. Peace.